Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung memory bundle with 128GB of DDR4 PC4-19200 2400MHz registered memory DIMMs, specifically designed for Dell PowerEdge servers. If you're looking to upgrade your server's memory, this could be one of the best choices out there. First off, let's talk about the capacity. This bundle includes 4 32GB modules, totaling 128GB of RAM. This substantial increase in memory is perfect for servers handling heavy workloads, large databases, or virtualized environments. The modules are DDR4, which means they offer improved speed and efficiency compared to older DDR3 modules. With a memory speed of 2400 MHz, these modules ensure faster data processing and better overall performance. Compatibility is always a critical factor when upgrading server components. This Samsung memory bundle is compatible with a wide range of Dell PowerEdge servers, including the M630, R430, R530, R630, R730, R730XD, T430, and T630 models. This versatility makes it. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.